Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your ChinaitechPay account step by step in just a few minutes. Step 1, open your web browser and visit ChinaitechPay.com. Step 2, once the website loads, click on Sign Up or Create Account. Step 3, on the registration page, enter your first name and last name. Step 4, enter your email address. Step 5, enter your phone number. Step 6, select how you found us, for example, through a Google search or a friend's referral. Step 7, create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your password is secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once all your details are filled in, click Create Account to proceed. Step 8. Fill in your address details. Enter your street address, for example, street number 2. Enter your city, for example, Accra. Enter your state or region, for example, Greater Accra. Then enter your zip or postal code, for example, 00233. Finally, complete the CAPTCHA verification by checking the box that says, I'm not a robot. Step 9. Click the Create Account button. This will redirect you to the PIN creation page. Step 10. Create your 6-digit PIN. Enter your PIN, then enter it again to confirm, and enter it once more to verify. And that's it. Your registration is done. It's quick and easy.